Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over adding a product to WooCommerce. So we're in WordPress, we've got WooCommerce installed, and we're going to be adding a product to it. Pretty simple. And so here's a website. It is the soap seller. It's in Haleiwa on Oahu in Hawaii. They sell soaps, and this is their online presence. And so this is their dashboard, and if yours looks different, don't be surprised because I have simplified this menu and I've changed the colors. So not everything is here. You'll notice posts are gone, and quite a few other things. This is because this is all the client will need, so I might as well simplify it. Okay, so let's add a product. So first of all, you just go to products, and we're going to go add new right here. This product is called Hawaiian Summer. Okay. For the description, I don't have one yet, so we're going to leave that blank for now. But this is where you would put a description if you had one. Actually, let's just, for example's sake, we'll go to glycerin soaps here, and we'll just pick one. We'll pick the Dreamsicle, and we'll take this this description. This is just for example's sake, so I will be deleting this product. Ooh, what happened there? That's not right. It changed on me last minute. Okay, we're taking that. Oh, now we've got all kinds of stuff. Oh my lordy. Okay, forget you just saw that. We're adding a description. There we go. Okay, so now within a product, let's go over this real quick, is there's two views you can see within this little area, and that is because you can add all kinds of stuff in here other than just text. You can add HTML and you can add short codes which do all kinds of different things. And so the visual version, you'll see images, things like that, and the text version you'll see code. And so knowing the code, I like to use the text side. Visual, sometimes it has some weird little things showing up. But anyways, if you ever get some kind of weird gaps or symbols or something showing up, check over to text version and just see if there's some weird code that got in there somehow. Okay, so we've added a new product, name, description, and we're going to go over to here to categories, and this is a soap, and it's a glycerin soap. And so we want to make sure our categories are checked. It uses that for all kinds of things. So that is set. Now over here, this is the most confusing part. It's the product data, which is basically if you have a product that has more than one size or more than one color, like a t-shirt, maybe it's got colors and sizes. Okay, so if it's just a one-off product, there's no variables of it at all, then you use simple product, you have one price. Done deal. But if you have a variable product, like this soap is, I think it comes in 2 sizes, then you're going to want to click variable product. Now this part's a little bit confusing. Just go through the steps and don't try to understand why it works this way, because it seems like there's kind of an extra step in here and it kind of throws you off, but this is what you got to do. So basically, forget all this stuff, go to attributes here, and you're going to choose the attributes that match the category. Say we're soaps, glycerin, so we're going to go glycerin soap sizes, and we're going to add that. I have all these previously set up, so you know we're not worrying about editing those right now. And so now you get this little window. You need to check this, use for variations. This is the next step, which is kind of weird. But right here, if you just click in the values, these will pop up. And so these are our two sizes, large glycerin soap and medium glycerin soap. And so that's it. Those are our values. Use for that. Make sure you click on save. Okay, and so now you go to variations. And basically those attributes are going to come from things. So yes, we're gonna go to here, add variation. We're going to create variations from all the attributes, our step before. This is the part that's kind of like 2 steps. Why is it 2 steps? I don't know. Okay, so yes, we're good. We're going to just disregard these little things. Click OK. Okay, so here we have our 2 large soaps choices now, large and medium. Click on over here, come to expand them all. So each one's got a big old box filled with all kinds of stuff you can add in here. But the only thing you really need is this variation, or the regular price right here. So this is the large. What is a large soap cost? I'm guessing, well, there's your 2 prices right there, but it's $5.50. So we go 5.50 right there. That's the large. And then we scroll down to the medium, and it would be $5. And we save the changes. Okay, so we're done with that. Now that product has 2 choices. That was the hardest part, and it's over. Okay, so also over here you want to set a product image. It'll take you to the media file, where if you've already uploaded them all, you can just pick it from here. But I have not, so let's go to upload files. You select your files from wherever you have them, and here's Hawaiian Summer, and so we're going to open that. There is our image, there's our title. We're going to set the product image. There you have it. And we're going to publish it. Make sure you publish it. And that will be it. That product exists now. So let's go back to the actual website. And if we go to products, we go to glycerin products, or glycerin soaps, we should see Hawaiian Summer. There it is. And if we click on it, that's what it looks like. You can zoom in on the image. It's got related products and this kind of stuff. And here's your 2 sizes. So that is it. That's how you add a product. Pretty straightforward. Again, this is the craziest part, is this variable product, and mainly because you have to set up the attributes first and then the variations. Other than that, you should be all good. Alright, hope you have a good rest of the day.